Today, we have an exciting head-to-head comparison between two titans of the ultra-high-performance tire segment, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 and the GT Radial SportActive 2. Can the highly valued GT Radial SportActive 2 stand up to the mighty Michelin Pilot Sport 5? Let's find out. In wet braking, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 outperforms the GT Radial SportActive 2, stopping 2.2 meters shorter at 40.6 meters compared to 42.8 meters from 100 kilometers per hour to 0. Wet handling sees the Pilot Sport 5 leading with an average speed of 75.5 kilometers per hour, slightly ahead of the SportActive 2 average speed of 74.3. However, in straight aquaplaning resistance, the SportActive 2 edges out the Pilot Sport 5 with a slipping speed of 107.2 km per hour versus 105.7. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 shines again, stopping 1.8 meters shorter at 34.1 meters compared to the GT Radial SportActive 2 braking distance of 35.9 meters from 100 km per hour to 0. In dry handling, the Pilot Sport 5 maintains a slight advantage with an average speed of 119.1 km per hour, just ahead of the SportActive 2 average speed of 118.4. When it comes to durability, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 offers superior mileage performance, lasting 55,600 kilometers compared to the GT Radial SportActive 2 mileage of 38,800 kilometers. Calculating the cost per 1,000 kilometers, the Pilot Sport 5 costs approximately 3.2 euros, while the SportActive 2 costs around 2 euros. Although the Pilot Sport 5 lasts longer, the value is in favor of the SportActive 2, as its cost per 1,000 kilometers is significantly lower than Michelin's. In terms of exterior noise, the GT Radial SportActive 2 is quieter, producing 72.9 decibels compared to the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 noise levels of 73.8 decibels. Regarding rolling resistance, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 performs better with a lower coefficient value of 8.1 compared to the GT Radial SportActive 2 coefficient value of 8.3. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 excels in wet, dry, and mileage. On the other hand, the GT Radial SportActive 2 stands out for its quieter ride and excellent value with a lower cost per kilometer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.